What's going on, everybody? Brian here. Got another video for you guys. Over the weekend, we were able to pick up a free couch and I wanted to shoot content on it. I would have shot a video of us actually picking up the couch, but my other camera somehow got broken, so I wasn't able to record anything. I also had to pick up a new camera to be able to record this content today. So anyway, I did pick up a couch for free over the weekend. We decided that, we're gonna go ahead and just pick it up. I think it's gonna be good content. We'll show you guys how it's currently looking and what we plan to do as far as restoring it and bringing it back to life, and how much we're gonna be able to sell it for. Again, this couch was picked up for free. The customer picked up a couch from us and asked us to take this couch. We normally just dump it, but I was like, you know what? It might be good content, and yeah, we're gonna go ahead and show you guys how we're gonna bring it back to life, list it, and then get it sold. So the people that we picked this up from did have kids, and I think that's the biggest thing that ruins couches, either kids or pets. So yeah, this thing is pretty much beat up. Our goal is to be able to bring this back to life, because again, I got it for free. If I can get this to a pretty good condition, I'm confident I could probably sell it for $500 to $800. But again, yeah, we're gonna have to spend some time on it, get it all cleaned up, make any repairs if we need to make any repairs on them. But overall, I think it's a pretty decent couch. It just needs a lot of TLC. And yeah, it's a sofa and a love seat together. They said they bought it for over $2,000 when it was brand new. But yeah, I was like, I'm not gonna pay you guys anything to take it, but I will take it for free and then dispose it. But instead of disposing it, again, I'm gonna go ahead and try to make content out of it and record how we can bring this back to life. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get going on these two, and then I'll show you guys the progress. So as you guys can see, just from the extractor, that took out a lot already. It's pretty dirty. There's a lot of liquids. We're gonna have to keep doing this a few more times. I'm probably gonna go skip just the carpet bomber alone. I'm gonna most likely put some heavy duty cleaning supplies on this and then use a scrubber so that I can loosen up everything and then really get it out with the extractor. That is why we do not sell used couches. But again, where I'm at is a good place to start. Again, the couch is for free, but you do have to put some elbow grease to be able to bring some life back into it. From earlier, there was a pretty big blue stain here, but right now I think it's almost gone. I still have to probably work on it a little bit more, but probably a few more passes and it's gonna completely come off. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do this for the rest of the couch and then show you guys how it looks at the end. What I'm doing right now is I'm just finalizing this. I think I'm pretty much done with this portion of the couch. I'm gonna be moving on to the back side. But what I'm doing right now is just trying to get out all the other hard stains. Most of it did come off. So there was like a red stain right there, which we got off. And then all I'm using is this, the Folex, just spraying it down and then agitating it with something hard so that it can loosen it up. So yeah, so a lot of this stuff, when we do restore couches, there's a lot of testing involved, and we kind of just try to see what works and what doesn't. So far, this is coming out pretty good. All the stitching, all the cushions are in really good condition. Everything that we're using as far as the chemicals isn't affecting the color of the fabric and also the texture of the fabric. and also how much we're agitating it, or how much I'm agitating it isn't ruining the fabric. So that's all really good. We're gonna know more as far as how it really stood up to the cleaning once it's dry. So again, I'm gonna just do the rest of this, put it out in the sun, and then wait a few hours, see how it looks. All right, so I was able to clean this up pretty good. I have the other couch outside now, but here, this is how it looks. Well, this is the other one that still needs work. Just want to give you guys a reminder of how it was looking earlier. There's a bunch of stains, a bunch of slime, what it seems like, or a lot of just food residue. But that's how it looks right now after. Yeah, that's how it's looking right now. Obviously the job's not done. There's still a few things I'm gonna do to it. I'm probably gonna let it dry, see how the fabric looks afterwards, see if it needs a second or a third shampooing. But yeah, I started on this project around 11 o'clock. Right now it's 1:40, so it took me about 2.5 hours to be able to clean up the couch. But again, the simple lesson for this, or the simple message I'm trying to just show or explain, is you can pick up a couch, put a few hours in it, cleaning it, and then relist it. But ideally, this is not something I would want to do. We already buy couches that are pretty much ready to go. It just needs minor cleaning. This is like super heavy duty cleaning that we have to do. Luckily, there's no damages to it, which saves us a lot of time. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and start working on this second one, and then let them dry, and then take some photos of them. Got done with the two couches. It's all cleaned up now. And we're gonna come back tomorrow, have it set up over there where we can stage it and take some photos. What's going on, everybody? Brian here. Ironically enough, as you guys know, as I'm trying to make this video to show you guys that we're trying to flip a previous couch that we got for free. So as I was saying, yeah, the customers are out there right now. They're thinking about buying that couch. So that was the couch that we kind of documented before, that we got it for free. You know what I just realized? I'm actually putting this couch right now together to take a photo of it. We actually got this couch for free. The customer bought a couch from us and wanted to get rid of this couch and asked if we can take it. I looked at the condition and I was like, you know what? Why not? You know, we could probably take it and sell it for $500 to $800. And we're currently selling it right now. We have it listed for $800. Yeah, again, it's a free couch. There's a customer out there right now looking at it and hopefully gonna pick it up. And once they're gone, I'm gonna go ahead and walk over to our other couch that we just picked up. We finally got it fully cleaned up, and we have it in our, what is that called? In our photo booth area. So I'm gonna go over there right after this one and then show you guys how that one's looking. And again, that one we got completely for free. It looked like it went through a whole lot of stuff, but we were able to bring it back to its original condition, and I'm excited to show you guys how that one is looking. So let's go. All right, so this just got sold. Customer decided that they're gonna go ahead and pick it up. We're gonna be doing the delivery on this tomorrow. So again, this couch was completely for free. We got it for free. We didn't pay a cent for it. All we did was clean it up a little bit, staged it, took photos. It did take a little bit longer, I think a month or so before we got rid of this one, but it was again completely for free, and we sold it for $800. And then at the same time, we did include this right here. This one is from our couches that we order. You know, we added this for 150 bucks. So total 950 for the customer. He gave us 300 today, and we'll be delivering it tomorrow. Anyways, so yeah, if you guys want to get into this type of business, again, this is proof that you can definitely get some good couches, really good couches, literally for free. You just have to put in the work and energy into them to get them back to its original state. Again, this couch, it was pretty filthy before. We got a lot of stuff out of it. All the stains we were able to take out of it. All the like glue, all the slime, like stuff that kids usually play with, that gets stuck deep into the fabric. We were able to get it all out, and yeah, right now I would say this couch right here is probably a good 8 out of 10, and I didn't pay a cent for it. And you guys, whoever's watching this, can definitely do the same thing. You know, if you want to get into this business, you just have to be willing to clean couches and bring them back to life and restore them, and you can generate funds from this business without a dollar coming out of your pocket, as long as you have everything else. So hopefully you guys like this content. Hopefully it's helpful for you. If you are looking and wanting to see if you can get a couch for free and flip it, hopefully I'll be able to sell this sooner rather than later, so that I can do a follow-up video on us being able to sell this couch that we picked up for free. As you guys saw, it was filthy. When I saw it, I was like, oh man, I think we might just bring it straight to the dumpster. But I thought it was a good opportunity for us to just pick it up, bring it back to life, and relist it. And I'm glad I made that decision. I was really close to just dumping it because it just looked really dirty, but overall it turned out really good. So yeah, so right now this is looking really nice, and I'm already sitting on it. I'm willing to use it. Still a little damp right here, but overall it's in really good condition. Came out really good. Yeah, like all the stains that were really embedded into the fabric, we got it all out. With that said, be on the lookout. We do clean a lot of couches. Although a lot of these things we come in brand new, they do get dirty or stained in the process of getting it here. So even if we don't want to clean them, we have to somewhat clean them. And in that process, we go through a lot of different cleaning products. So currently we're using Carpet Bomber as one of our main sources, because that one's pretty easy. You just spray it on and then use an extractor to pull it out. The only thing I don't like about it is sometimes it leaves the fabric a little bit rough, and then the scent, it has like a citrus smell to it, and sometimes the customer smells it and doesn't like it. Another thing that we use is Folex. That's like for heavy stains, like ink. Yeah, anything that's colored or some type of colored stain. Even as far as grease, we've taken out grease with that thing. So that, and then a mixture of other different products where we have to use a lot of elbow grease to be able to really get it out and bring it back to life. So with that said, I've been on the lookout for like the perfect cleaning solution, and for some reason, like I just find myself always having to mix and match different things. So I am in the process of possibly making our own cleaning solution specifically for what we do, right? So when it comes to cleaning couches or cleaning upholstery, I'm in the process of making a connection with someone who distributes these type of formulas or these type of products. And yeah, hopefully we'll be able to release our own line where it's designated for cleaning couches or cleaning upholstery, and it meets the standards that I'm looking for. Because again, as you guys saw, like this couch was a mess, and like for me, I don't just want to clean it, or I have very high standards as far as what I want this thing to look afterwards. And at first I was kind of doubtful if we were going to be able to get it out, but again, I had to mix and match different cleaning products, different methods to be able to get all the stains out. It took us about 6 hours to get this couch to where it is right now, but if I just had a few cleaning solutions that I created, I feel like we could have done the job a lot easier. So yeah, be on the lookout for that. I think that's something that we're going to pursue. We might drop our own line of cleaning solutions and cleaning supplies. Be on the lookout for that. We might be doing that pretty soon. Again, I'm already in contact with someone that does provide cleaning solutions, and we'll be able to create a cleaning solution specific to what I'm looking for. If you're looking for partnerships, we're definitely still interested in looking for partnerships. This is the time. Like, if you are looking to get into this business, the summer months is the months we will make the most money. So if you are still on the fence about, getting into this business, starting your own, trust me, this is the time. Like, if you really want to make the most money, you do it during the summer. I've seen other people they say they've made more money during other months, but no. Now I know for sure you make the most money during summer in this business, and we're going to capitalize on it. So right now we're stocked up. I would say 30%, 40%, we're pretty stocked up. Or here, I would consider this us being stocked up to only 40% capacity, because a lot of this stuff is, displayed. Once we are at 100% capacity, where we're filled up, that's when I'll be satisfied as far as the amount of inventory we have here. But right now, a lot of the things are able to kind of be laid out and displayed. That means we're not utilizing the space that well, and we have a lot of space a lot of space where we can put in inventory and use that space for inventory. So we're going to be doing that. If you are looking to get into this, right now is a really, really good time. So yeah, if you wanted to partner up, definitely hit us up. Let us know if you're interested in getting into some type of partnership. We're looking for partners, and again, this is the time to do it. If you're looking for some type of mentorship, we're also open to that. Just let us know where you're at. We probably won't entertain any type of mentorships that are in Southern California. The only mentorships that we'll do is going to be outside of Southern California. Again, if you guys are interested, let us know. Join us in our Discord. You can definitely message us there. Or you can also email us at info@plushcouches.com, and that one we check on a daily basis. So if ever you send us an email, we'll respond to you right away, and we can talk in regards to partnerships or mentorships or any, if you just have questions, general questions. That's it. I'll catch you guys in the next one.